Hello friends, welcome to our channel Simple and Smart. The new Tata Nexon XZ Plus S variant has been silently launched by the carmaker in India with a starting price of 10.10 lakh rupees ex-showroom. However, the diesel iteration costs rupees 11.60 lakh ex-showroom India. The carmaker previously offered the subcompact SUV in 8 variants: XE, XM, XZ, XZ Plus, XZ Plus O, XMA, XZA Plus and XZA Plus O. The carmaker has added the new XZ Plus S variant to the lineup that sits in between the XZ Plus and the XZ Plus O. The newly introduced XZ Plus S variant is essentially based on the top-of-the-line variant, XZ Plus O. For safety, the new Nexon XZ Plus S variant packs dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, brake assist, hill hold assist, reverse parking camera, front fog lamps, ISOFIX anchorage for child seat, driver seat belt with pre-tensioners, load limiters and crash locking tongue and more. Mechanically, the new Nexon SUV is available in both petrol and diesel engines that are now BS6 compliant. The petrol engine is a 1.2-liter turbocharged Revitron unit, whereas the diesel unit is a 1.5-liter turbocharged Revotorque engine. The former makes 118 bhp of power against peak torque of 170 Nm, while the latter makes 108 bhp against 260 Nm of power figures. Both the engines get a 6-speed manual with an optional 6-speed UNT. If you like the video, like, subscribe and share it with friends and family members.